Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is TieMyApron and I am Maya. Today we are going to start a series and it's called I Saw It Online. We all know, you know, I know. You'll scroll on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and see these bomb meals and this bomb food and you always are like, I'd like to try it, I don't know. So I'm gonna be that one to try it for you. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter and jelly French toast. I saw it on Facebook yesterday and reposted it, and here's the post right here. And I decided I wanted to try it. Now, since my fiance and I are adult children, or children in adult form, we don't have just jelly. I mean, we have peanut butter, we have bread, but we don't have jelly. So what we do have though, since we don't have jelly, we do have peanut butter. I'm not gonna make a peanut butter sandwich, but I could make a peanut butter and banana sandwich, so maybe I might still do that because I love peanut butter and banana sandwiches. But anyway, we have Uncrustables. So they're already peanut butter and jelly sandwiches anyway. If you've never seen an Uncrustable before, you don't know what you're missing. They're delicious. But I decided I'm gonna use these. I mean, this takes a step away from what I have to do myself. So, I mean, why not? So, let's get into the video. Again, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment if you like this series, and subscribe so I can make some more of these type of videos and give you guys some really cool ideas. If you would like to drop some ideas in comments below, I'd love that too. Ugh, that was ugly. All right, let's get into the video. By the way, do you guys like my shirt? Can you believe I got this from Walmart? Walmart has the shirts, anime shirts on deck. All right, let's go. All right, so let's talk about a couple things that we are going to need. So the Uncrustables, of course, so I have 2 of those. You only need 1 egg for these 2. Milk, whatever type you use. I always use silk or soy milk, or I try to. Vanilla, don't mind me, I'm almost out. I use it for everything. Ground cinnamon, I don't know how it's gonna taste with the grape jelly, but hey, we'll see. We will see. You'll also need some butter, you'll need some sugar, and that should be it for your ingredient. As for equipment, I have a spatula, I have a knife, non-stick pan, and a cutting board, and that's it. I mean a plate, but you know, we already know that part. You also need a bowl and a whisk. I basically never, or almost never, measure anything when I make French toast because I just make it so much. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna really try. I'm gonna whisk up my eggs, then I'm gonna add in a little bit of milk, say like 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix that together. Then I'm gonna add in, like, let's say 4, 5 shakes of cinnamon. I'll try to look up what 5 shakes of cinnamon could mean. And then vanilla, everybody always says like, oh, a tablespoon, but I just put like so much because why not? And mix that all together. And then sugar. This is all about preference. This is a preference thing. However sweet you want it to be. I'm gonna say I did not even 1/4 of a cup, okay? Because especially for this small amount, we really don't need to have too much. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done with our mixture. All right, since I'm so extra and I can't even live with having just the normal Uncrustables, I'm going to cut them into squares. Just to be extra. And I'm gonna eat these, like, don't you worry. They will be eaten. Wow, they look so great. All right, I'm just melting about 1.5 tablespoons of butter down and get my pan nice and hot and ready. I decided to also keep one whole just so we can get like a little sneak peek on how it would look. if it was full, but this is such a quick and easy process. Alright, you guys, so my camera died, but all I did was take the Uncrustable and dip it in both sides and then put it into the hot pan. I have some leftover. So realistically, if you wanted to make just some regular French toast, there's still some left. Alright, I think so far they're looking pretty good. You want to just cook them maybe like 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on your heat. And you just want them to get nice and golden brown on each side. So I will show you guys when I flip them. Like this one has been on a little bit longer than the other two, so I'm gonna flip that one. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I'm glad I caught that one. I was doing other stuff. Ooh yeah. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie. I probably should have kept it all together. It got a bit messy once they got like warm and the jelly kind of started coming out. But you know what? We're gonna make it look good still. We're gonna clean up these edges. This is what the full one looked like, which was absolutely perfect. I mean, it's great. It looks great. This is what our little messy babies look like. But I'm gonna take some powdered sugar and I'm gonna just tap some powdered sugar over top of them. Oh yeah, already fixes all the flaws. Okay, so powdered sugar over top. Then I don't know how the syrup is really gonna taste with it, but what's French toast without syrup? So ooh yeah. Ooh, that looks super good. And that, you guys, is basically it. French toast made with peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. And here it is. Y'all already know what time it is now. It's time to try it out. Let me try to get it on camera. It looks so good. I'm so excited. I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Yo. That's crazy good. I'm actually like thoroughly surprised. Like, look at this. It's delectable. It's delicious. All right, I'm gonna take just one more, you know. Oh, that's dangerous. That is dangerous, okay? This was such an easy recipe. Have your kids make it with you, brothers, sisters. Take a picture of it, put it on Instagram, hashtag TieMyApron, and tag me at TieMyApron. Here's my Instagram if you haven't already followed it. But thank you guys again. In the comments below, tell me some really cool things that you saw on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, and they may be in the next episode that I record. I'm about to tear this French toast down, so I'm gonna go. But thanks again for coming, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.